The 20 best quote to inspire you when you are going through your tough time. Hardships often prepare ordinary people for an extraordinary destiny. The greater the difficulty, the more glory in surmounting it. Tough times never last, but tough people do. Strength does not come from winning. Your struggles develop your strengths. When you go through hardships and decide not to surrender, that is strength. The gem cannot be polished without friction, nor man perfected without trials. The greatest glory in living lies not in never falling, but in rising every time we fall. Challenges are what make life interesting, and overcoming them is what makes life meaningful. You have within you right now everything you need to deal with whatever the world can throw at you. Believe you can, and you're halfway there. Success is not final, failure is not fatal, it is the courage to continue that counts. If you're going through hell, keep going. What lies behind us and what lies before us are tiny matters compared to what lies within us. Adversity introduces a man to himself. The best way out is always through. The only way to do great work is to love what you do. If you haven't found it yet, keep looking. Don't settle, as with all matters of the heart, you'll know when you find it. You never know how strong you are, until being strong is your only choice. The only limit to our realization of tomorrow will be our doubts of today. The human capacity for burden is like bamboo, far more flexible than you'd ever believe at first glance. Don't let yesterday take up too much of today. In 3 words I can sum up everything I've learned about life: it goes on.